welcome back to another what I call a fall natural makeup tutorial. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when new videos get uploaded. Let's begin. I already have a moisturizer on, my brows are on, and let's begin by using the ALAMAR Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and using this fluffy blender brush we're going right into Cafecito, and let's blend all that into your crease. Now with this concealer brush, we're going to be using this Tarte shape tape, and we're just going to place it right on our eyelids, like so. Also, let's apply it in our lower lash line. Now with this flat painter brush, we're going to go right into Cocoa Taxi, and we're going to apply it on top of the concealer that we just applied. Going right into Tropical, we're using this fluffy brush and blending it all into our crease, just to give it a little bit of more warmth into our eyes. Now using this Urban Decay eye pencil, let's tight line our eyes. But every time I do this, my eyes get so watery. Does it happen to you guys too? Comment down in the section below. Let's jump right into Cocoa Taxi and apply it in our lower lash line. So we're basically repeating the same steps that we did for our top eyelids. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, for mascara, we're going to use this brand new Maybelline Snapscara, and this is in the shade Pitch Black. Let's coat our lashes. And let's apply it on our bottom lashes as well. Let's go ahead and use the same eyeliner from Urban Decay and apply it in our waterline. Now using this Tarte shape tape, I'm just going to place it right on my dark spots and conceal some of the areas, and I'm going to go ahead and use this damp Real Techniques sponge and blend it all in. As you can see here, I skipped foundation. Now let's use this Multi Finish powder by SKINFOOD and seal the concealer we just used. To contour the face, I'm going to use this MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Natural Powder in the shade Give Me Sun. And let's contour the face. For blush, I'm using this Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose. It's such a beautiful shade. I really like it. To highlight, I'm using the Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter palette. I'm going right into Northern Lights. Girl, don't forget the Cupid's bow now. Now going into El Malecon, this shade is so gorgeous. Let's apply it in our inner corners. lips, let's use this lip contour set by Huda Beauty. Let's line our lips first. And then apply the shade Spice Girl. And you can stop right here if you like to, just by using this one shade. But you know me, I went ahead and wanted to use the other shade, which is called Venus, and to create a ombre effect on my lips. So I'm just applying it in the center of my lips there. Alright, and this is the final look. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, beautiful.